But my favourite things are Whoopie Pies. These are my Ramsay Whoopies. First, I'm going to start by putting my butter in.
I'm beginning by making a really easy cookie dough. Mix butter and brown sugar.
And cream them together.
Then add vanilla extract, an egg, and melted chocolate.
I really like chocolate. Probably not as much as my brothers and sisters, though. It's really sticky and hard, and it's on my eyes.
Next, dip in cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, and chocolate chips.
These are always my favourite because I love milk chocolate and white chocolate. And then slowly add them in. Smells amazing.
Cookie dough mixed. Now simply wrap in cling film and chill in the fridge. Once the cookie dough is firm, cut, ready to bake.
Jack, what are you doing?
That's delicious. Good luck.
See you soon. They're going in for 20 to 30 minutes.
When the cookies are done, leave them to cool, but keep them safe.
No, Dad, no. You can't eat it. I've got just enough to make it into sandwiches. No.
Okay. Right, Jack, get a leg. Hold it upside down. Let's go. Go get the leg. Right, hit it on the back. Hit it on the back. 1, 2, 3. Right, Hickham's gone yet. Have the Hickham's gone yet? Behind you.
I can't.
Oh, dear. Okay, Jack, help. No, she tripped up.
Get rid of your family and add the ice cream filling.
Right, that's it. They look really nice. And then gently put them on the tray. I'm taking these pictures again.